Good morning. This case is pertaining to medical negligence, claiming compensation before National Commission. Uh, so far, medical negligence are concerned, a Bolam test would apply, a very old case. And thereafter, there are multi-number of cases. Then finally, Jacob Matthew case was a starring case, regulate the and procedure for filing cases against doctors, medical experts. This case seems to be more narrative for lawyers as well as advocates and also medical experts to understand so many aspects. This is case AR 2023, Supreme Court 5527. MABVG versus Sunita and others. Here they say, the charges alleging against the doctors for medical negligence was they say medical negligence resulted blurred vision, thrombocytopenia, platelet levels failing significantly to dangerously low level, and negligence with respect to barium swallow test causing breathlessness. Different ophthalmologists at allegedly negligent as well as a CT scan, orbit, MRI revealed normal retina. Then they say conducting nostroclear intubation procedure by removing existing tracheostomy procedure. After bronchoscopy, report indicating normalcy in complainant's airways did not amount to negligence. So they have discussed about using TT. They say TT by removing TT procedure. NI procedure was alternative, and because the patient was sustained road accident with grave injuries, the case of the doctors were held not liable for negligence by Supreme Court, and the compensation award were set aside. The most important at paragraph 35 of the said judgment discuss about Jacob Matthew. Jacob Matthew and Kusum Sharma versus Bara Hospital cases. They have discussed about the fixation of medical negligence, and there is high-level committee report is also being considered in this case. Therefore, kindly go through this judgment. If anybody want to file cases for medical negligence by getting over the finding of the Supreme Court, factual findings are there, and if you are a medical officer and go through this judgment, which will help you to defend your genuine attempt in safeguarding the patients. And for lawyers must strain much to understand the medical terms used in this particular judgment. They say decannulations, so many words are used. Kindly go through the judgment. Sir, what about Bolam test? Bolam test is the oldest test. When a patient was given electric shock without giving sedation as well as tying the hands. So the judgment, United Kingdom judgment held that unless and until you allow the doctors to follow some new methodology, the medical field may not be improved. Therefore, an attempt by doctor and defending him, stating that he want to test some experience with the patient by giving electric shock without these sedation and other things. So many things are there, they say therefore bowel test. That is what I say, unless and until doctors are allowed freely and practically attending, and if we drag them to courts, uh, then the doctors may not be in a better position to say whatever it may be. After all, everything is a game of fate. So kindly go through the judgment and keep the judgment on your file and record. This is AR 2023 Supreme Court 5527 MA BG vs Sunita and others.